One-level living on a large riverfront lot. This home will fit your needs. Beautiful woodwork, new carpeting, huge bedroom, with a super-sized walk-in closet. Many updates throughout. This property features 2 wells, is fenced on 3 sides, and has a completely fenced backyard. Plenty of parking for your friends, boats, toys and RVs. Huge shop for all your hobbies and projects. At day's end, enjoy your evenings in the private hot tub room overlooking the river. You are going to want to see this one.